Hello, here's another very simple idea to serial chain two solar charged batteries together to support just a single garden light to make it brighter and also last longer. I choose to serial chain them so that will make the light last longer after dark. So take two of these, and one is cut off. I just need the solar panel battery part from it, and the other one is the original one. There are two different companies, so you can see one used white wire as the negative, the other one used the black as the negative. So I got that that one, the red one, is a positive chain to this white one is the negative of this battery, and it comes out from this red one. It's a positive that goes to the light, and the light gets the negative from the other battery. It's a negative. Okay. So to the light, the wiring is that the positive red, the negative black, seems to be getting the right wiring from the two different batteries though. So the rest of the two wires, you clamp them together. So that is the red one from that battery to the negative one of this battery. And then you get this serial chain, the two batteries to support just one light. So you can see the solar panel is facing down now, so that will emit the battery out after dark. And this one is like this. There are two different companies, so they are different. You can measure the voltage with the voltmeter, so that they're about 3.5 volts each. And you can see the switch here. If I switch it off, then the light will go off. And any one of the two switches off will get the light to turn off, because they have been serialized, and the circuit becomes the breakers for any one of the two. So I hope this helps.